Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to cook again. So what we're gonna cook today is a cookie. It's like a chocolate chip cookie. So I got this recipe again from YouTube, another YouTube video, another YouTube channel, and so I thought it's interesting because this recipe requires no baking at all. So meaning that you can use your gas stove and then your frying pan or saucer, whatever it is, and just make a chocolate chip cookie. So we're going to try this recipe today and we're gonna see how's the result. Alright guys, so I have all the ingredients right here. So you just have to mix all the ingredients in one bowl and then mix them. I'm so sorry for the noise because I'm actually doing laundry at the same time. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and mix this with a whisk. Everything, and now it looks like this. So this is the kind of texture that you want. Like it's a bit tacky, a bit hard, but not too hard, and not too like liquidy as well. So yeah, and I've also changed the tool to a wooden spoon because if you use the whisk, it's a little bit difficult because the mixture is gonna stuck in the middle of the whisk. So that's why I think if you don't have a whisk, that's great. Like just don't buy it, just use a wooden spoon. I think that will do. And so I am going to cover this and then put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Then only I'm going to shape it and then cook it. So let's put it in the freezer. Okay. Sorry, my freezer is so full. Okay, so you have to cover it and then put it in the freezer for 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it has been 30 minutes and it's done freeze. So it's a little bit hard now. So I'm going to go ahead and shape it and then put it in this tray. So this tray is also lined with the parchment paper. So yeah, I'm just going to shape them and put it right here. Guys, so I have done shaping all the cookies. They all look so cute and they're like very small tiny cookies. So I'm just going to make like just small cookies, you know, like those famous Amos small cookies. So yeah, now that we have everything done, so we're just going to put it in the pan. So this is how you basically arrange it. So there is the pan and then there's this like a stainless steel or metal kind of bowl, and you don't have to fill in with any water, so no water at all. And then of course you have the cover ready, and then put the fire on low. So just going to put it here. Okay, to be careful not to touch the pan, and then you can cover it. Okay, so that's it, and you just have to wait for about 20 minutes. So 20 minutes, I'm going to check back in and see if it's cooked already. Guys, so it's not 20 minutes yet, but I'm just like looking at it and I feel like this is so exciting. Yeah, so those cookies are melted. Let's wait for another I think now it's already 15 minutes, so maybe we're gonna wait for another 5 minutes and let's see what happens. So it has been 20 minutes and I don't know why the cookies look pretty like wet. It's like melted, but I don't know, maybe I'm gonna wait for another 10 minutes and see what happens. It's been 25 minutes and I feel like this is ready, so that's why I turn off the stove. And now I'm just gonna take this, look at that. let's put it in on the kitchen, the dining table. So we're going to let this sit for I think 15 minutes to just let it cool down, like just make it hardened, and we'll check back in 15 minutes. Hi guys, so it has been about 10 minutes and some cookies are hardened and they've cooled down as well. Sorry. So I'm pretty excited to try it out. So this is how it looks like. If you guys want to see it closer. So yeah, it doesn't look that nice, like I know, like in Famous Amos cookie, the cookies look so delicious, but this one is like kind of, you know, dull and like just like that. So but anyway, like visual aside, I really wanted to try it. I'm so curious how it tastes like, so I'm just gonna give it a try. So here's the first bite. This is really tasty. Like honestly, this is super tasty. But I do feel like so it's not like as similar as Famous Amos. It's probably like maybe like 90% similar. The reason why there's like 10% difference is because this one tastes a bit more buttery. So I don't know, maybe I put too much butter, so I can really taste the butter. And but other than that, like it's really nice, like it's crunchy. Like it's so crunchy. The sweetness is also similar to the Famous Amos one, but to be honest, I don't actually like the sweetness of Famous Amos because I feel like it's a bit too sweet. So I thought if I could, I can just like tone down the sweetness a little bit. But this is my first try, so I just wanted to like follow the recipe and not fail, you know. So maybe next time when I make another batch, I will just like put a little bit like less sugars. So yeah, it's really tasty. Like I'm not joking. And even though I didn't bake it, I technically like cook it in a frying, you know, like those frying pan or something. But it kind of tastes like it's being baked, honestly. So like to be honest, there's like not really a difference between baking it and use the method that I used just now. So either way, like you can either bake it or do it like how I did just now. So like it's gonna be good. super good. I don't think I'm gonna be buying cookies anytime soon or in the future because I can make it myself, and to be honest, it's not that difficult actually. So yeah, I'm so glad that I discovered the recipe and then I give it a try as well. And honestly, the total cost of making this, again, it's probably a bit more expensive than just buying the cookie from the Famous Amos. But the good thing is you can like keep making more, like maybe the money that I've spent on buying all the ingredients, I can also use it on making other things, and then I can make another batch. So all in all, it's actually cheaper than if you buy from Famous Amos. So yeah, I don't know why I keep comparing these cookies to Famous Amos rather than like any other bakery, because I don't know, maybe like for cookies, like chocolate chip cookies, Famous Amos is like the iconic one, like Famous Amos is the icon or the benchmark or something. So that's why I like to compare it. And I love Famous Amos actually. So sometimes when I do have extra money, I would buy Famous Amos cookies. Yeah, after this, I'm not gonna buy Famous Amos cookies anymore because I can just make it myself. So yeah, if you guys wanted to try this recipe, I will link it in the description box below. If you want to, you can also follow the mini tutorial that I did just now. I will also put all the ingredients and how to do it in the description box below, so you can just like screenshot it and then, you know, use it to buy the materials, buy the ingredients, and then do it yourself. So I hope you guys can follow this recipe and let me know in the comments down below how it turned out for you guys. And I'm just so excited to, you know, like see how you guys turn out to be. And if there's any problem at all, you can always like comment down below, and I will of course answer everything that I can answer. You know, I'm not really like a baker or a cook. I'm actually just a normal person who, you know, happens to cook. And so I might not be able to answer everything, but I try to answer as much as I can according to my experience just now. And so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.